In this video, we're going to learn how to say I have the experience of doing something in the past, such as I've been to Japan. Let's start with a simple sentence. アニメを見ました. This means I watched anime. But what if you want to say you have the experience of watching anime, like you've watched it at least once in your life? In that case, we use the た form of the verb, watch, which is 見た, and add ことがあります. So the sentence becomes アニメを見たことがあります. アニメを見たことがあります. This expresses that you've watched anime at some point in the past, emphasizing that you have the experience of watching it. Let's say your friend recently visited Japan, and you want to ask, Did you eat ramen? You would say, ラーメンを食べましたか? But what if you're simply curious whether they've ever eaten ramen? Doesn't matter when it was. In that case, you use the experience expression and say, Have you eaten ramen? So we use the た form for the verb eat, which is 食べた and add ことがありますか? So have you eaten ramen becomes ラーメンを食べたことがありますか? ラーメンを食べたことがありますか? When responding yes to ラーメンを食べたことがありますか? You can say はい、食べたことがあります or simply はい、あります. To respond no, you can say いいえ、食べたことがありません or simply いいえ、ありません. The caveat of this expression is that it's not used to talk about something that happened recently. For example, Shiro just came back from playing outside, and someone asked her, Have you washed your hands? If she wants to say, I washed my hands, or I've washed my hands, in this context, she should simply say, 手を洗いました. On the other hand, if she says, 手を洗ったことがあります, it emphasizes she has the experience of washing her hands. So it sounds like the action didn't happen recently. Let's learn how to conjugate the expression. For example, I've been to Japan in formal speech is 日本に行ったことがあります. 日本に行ったことがあります. In casual speech, you can say 日本に行ったことがある. The particle が is often dropped. 日本に行ったことある. To say I've never done something, we use the negative form of this expression. For example, I've never met a celebrity in formal speech is 有名人に会ったことがありません. 有名人に会ったことがありません. You can also say 有名人に会ったことがないです. 有名人に会ったことがないです. This is less formal but still polite, and it's more commonly used in conversations. For casual speech, you can say 有名人に会ったことがない. Again, the particle が is often dropped. 有名人に会ったことない. Let's try some quizzes. Shiro has climbed Mount Fuji. To use the experience expression, what form do we use for the verb? We use the た form. What is the た form of the verb climb? 登った. What do we add after the た form to say Shiro has the experience of climbing Mount Fuji? We add ことがあります。So, Shiro has climbed Mount Fuji is シロは富士山に登ったことがあります。シロは富士山に登ったことがあります。Let's do a listening challenge. ちいかわを見たことがありますか？前に少しだけ紹介したことがあります。ずっと名前は聞いたことがありましたが、見たことはありませんでした。でも、たまたま一つのエピソードを見て大ファンになりました。今までフィギュアを買いたいと思ったことがありませんでしたが、ちいかわのメインキャラクターたちのフィギュアを3つ買いました。ちいかわを一度も見たことがない人は、ぜひ見てみてください。Today we learned how to say I have the experience of doing something in the past. Thank you for watching. ありがとうございます。